Hey guys, so this is your warm-up for today. This is actually 4:15. Sorry, just noticed that. Um, what you're gonna do for this warm-up is I give you, like number one, you only have one question. I give you um, a rational numbers expression or equation, and you have to give me a word problem that matches it. So as an example, if I gave you -56 plus 145 equals 89, you would give me something like John owed his mom $56. Owed makes it negative. He was paid $145 today. After he repays his mom, he will have $89 remaining. So if you've been copying someone and yours matches theirs exactly, I'm going to be able to tell. So on your one question, you're going to write me just a few sentences that make sense. Okay? Okay, I'm back. Sorry, Mom Life. Emmy is here, so if you hear her, that's just her jibber jabbering with me. So today for our notes, we're going to continue on with probability of compound events. If you can understand this example, then your note or your assessments questions are just like it. Okay. So number 4 says there are 4 red, 8 blue, 2 green, and 6 yellow paper clips in a jar. A paperclip is drawn, replaced, then another paperclip is drawn. Find each probability. So we've got a jar with, no, in a minute. Sorry, guys. There are 4 red, 8 blue, 2 green, and 6 yellow. So in all, we have 20 paper clips. And what we do is we take a paper clip out, we put it back, then we take another one out. So we want probability of green, then blue. So the probability of green, well, how many are there favorable options for green? Well, how many greens are in the jar? There's 2 greens. So I've got 2 greens out of 20. And then we want a blue. How many blues are there? Well, there's 8 blues out of the 20 paper clips. And then we multiply those together. So 2 times 8 is 16. 20 times 20 is 400. You could simplify beforehand if you would like to make it easier to do, but I could divide both of those by 4, and I would get 4 out of 100. So I could divide both of those by 4 again and get 1 out of 25 chance. Okay, B, neither is red. So neither means you don't want it. So Emmy, say we don't want it. So we're fine with everything but red. So, and that neither means both times. So we don't want red the first time. Well, how many options would give us anything but red? Well, we've got 8 blue, 2 green, 6 yellow. So there's 16 options that are not red. So for the first time, I've got a 16 out of 20 chance. With the second one, again, I don't want red again, is another 16 out of 20 chance. Okay. So what I would do is I would go ahead and simplify both of these. Remember, you're going to multiply them. I would simplify both of them. And that is 4 over 5 times 4 over 5. And you just multiply straight across. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. So there's a 16 out of 25 chance. The 25 is right there. That's the number 25, a 2 and a 5. Okay, let mommy do this one. Hold on. So C says we need probability of both being yellow. So that means I want yellow the first time and I want yellow the second time. So the first time I want yellow, the first roll, or the first pick. So how many favorable options are there if I want yellow? Well, there's 6 yellow paper clips in that jar. So there's a 6 out of 20 chance that I get yellow the first time. Then I want yellow the second time. And again, there's a 6 out of 20 chance. Again, I would simplify these beforehand. So both of these can be divided by 2. And that would give me a 3 out of 10 times 3 out of 10. Well, Amy, move over. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 times 10 is 100. So a 9 out of 100. Okay. If you have any questions, you can email me and I'll answer them for you. I want to go super slow with this so that you can get the main idea. So hold on and I will get your homework up. So this is your homework questions. There's 3 parts. Move your hand, Amy. There's 3 parts. Whenever you get on assessments, you're going to enter your answers as fractions. If you're at home, you can write it on line paper or in a document and save it to the disk drive. Okay. So again, if you understood the questions that we just, no, wait a second. If you understood the questions on the notes, then these should go by really easily. If you did not understand the example that we did in the notes, then please reach out to me today. Don't just click show answer. Okay. Tell them, say, have a good afternoon. So we'll see you again tomorrow.